Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. So in today's video, let's see how to make a very quick and easy recipe, which is egg poriyal. This is basically a South Indian recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So without further delay, let's get started and see how to make this delicious and quick and easy egg poriyal recipe. Today I've taken about 10 eggs. We need about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of urad dal, 2 large onions which is finely chopped, 1 green chili which is finely chopped, a few curry leaves, a handful of coriander leaves, salt and pepper for taste. So the ingredients for a delicious egg poriyal is ready. Let's get started and see how to make this recipe. Now let's take a pan, preferably a non-stick pan. Let's add about 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add the urad dal and the mustard seeds. Today I'm adding about half a teaspoon of urad dal and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now let the mustard seeds splatter and the urad dal turn into a nice golden brown color. Now at this stage, let's add the chopped onions. Today I'm taking about 2 large onions which is finely chopped. Now let's add the curry leaves. And also the green chilies. Today I'm adding 1 green chili. If you like it a little extra spicy, then you can add a little more chilies. Stir fry it for about 2 minutes. So the onions are well fried in the oil. Now let's break the eggs one by one and add it into the onions. Today I've taken about 10 eggs. Let's break them one by one and add it into the pan. This is a very quick and easy recipe. It also goes very well with rasam rice, or you can also stuff it inside a sandwich and have it as a nice egg sandwich. Now at this stage, let's add the pepper and salt. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of pepper and salt according to your taste. Let's sprinkle the salt over the eggs so that the salt does not stay at one place. Now let's mix everything thoroughly and start scrambling the eggs. I usually prefer a non-stick pan for this recipe because the eggs do not stick to the pan. It completely comes out of the pan easily. It's also a great recipe for bachelors or even young girls. It's quick and easy to make and very tasty as well. So now you can see that the eggs are perfectly cooked and it does not stick to the pan. So at this stage, let's check the seasoning. Finally, let's garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. Now let's give it a quick mix. So you can see, friends, our delicious egg poriyal is absolutely ready. So that's it, friends. Our delicious egg poriyal is absolutely ready. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.